dolly okay တခုချိပါသူကောကတဲ့နော်လေရတာဆိုကိုချိပါလို့စားလဲတနေညာကြီးမချိပါစားလဲလဲခိုးထောပေါ်နာကင်းနေချိပါစားလဲ person ဒီချုံမဒီကောအားကဒီချိပါလဲ person ဒီအလတ်မနော်တော်တူမနော်ကိုနေတနေညာကြီးနေတခုတော့မှလဲသူဟဲတော့ရဒိုနေပါတာစက်တော်လေးကိုတိုးလို့တာစီဒီကီကိုတာရီတခုတော့မလို့နော်ရကတဲ့ချိုလောကောကြီးကတဲ့ချိုလောကောဝါမေလောဒီနေကတဲ့လာကောကီကလောဒါလောကညောချေမနော်Thank you, Juan, and all for attending this event. I know each one of you make a sacrifice to be here today. Some have traveled from nearby, and some taken time off from work. Some have traveled interstate and spent time and money. Some have traveled from overseas. Every single one of us here come here for the same reason, to stand up for our people who are being pushed down and to stand up for their freedom. A permanent peace, a permanent freedom where this will never happen to them again. A permanent peace where we can all be in peace, knowing that racism and extreme discrimination, the ethnic cleansing can never be forced them again. This we acknowledge can be happening by the establishment of a free, democratic and independent Kotule. Once again, we call on President Trump and Secretary of State Marco Rubio to intervene for us, to stand up for freedom, and to recognize our wishes and our need to be free and independent people. We call on President Trump and Secretary of Marco Rubio to recognize the corrupt and murderous Burma Judah for what they are, a murderous and criminal leftover from the Japanese Imperial Army of World War II. They should have been dismantled at the end of the Second World War, but they are still in place, killing, brutalizing, and terrorizing people, including our Korean people. We ask for your intervention and support for our people and help us to dismantle this criminal so our Korean people cannot be harmed again. Contact us, work with us. We will do anything to win the freedom of our people. To our Korean youth who are here today, the challenge is now yours to lead the way for our people's future and to win our Korean people freedom. Let this generation coming through the one who does it. Let this generation be the one who change history and win the Kotule, peace and independence. Get together, come up with ideas and push forward. I hope our Korean people from all over the world lines in you. Our Korean youth, don't be afraid to stand up to corrupt leaders. They are also responsible for our people being in the current situation. To everyone here, thank you for your support and please cover your social media pages with photos from this event. Across the world, the most importantly inside Burma, our Korean people will know that they are not alone. Your photo, your faces, your placards will let each and every Korean know that they are not bear these torments alone. And we will not stop. All of us, I tell our Korean freedom is one. Thank you.